Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. I'm Karen Thompson, a former hospital food service director, dietitian, retired family consumer science teacher, and cook. Join us as we travel the globe, sampling the world's cuisines. Today we're heading south for a Mexican-inspired corn dish. Right now, corn is coming in season. It's not quite in season in my area, but it is in the other places. So we're going to start with fresh sweet corn. My guess is this is probably peaches and cream, which seems to be a really popular variety. But I wanted to show you an easy way to get it off the cob. First, we need to shuck the ear. I have a trash can right here that I don't think you can see. So I'm going to take the peels off. So here is my peeled ear of corn. And I've gotten almost all the silks off. I don't think you can ever get them all. But I have my bundt pan. Granted, this is an old bundt pan. It was my grandmother's. And what you're going to do is you're going to set your corn kind of on the flute of it and take your knife and cut. Now, I like to cut about halfway down and then flip it off. It kind of keeps it from bouncing quite so bad. What happens if you don't have something to catch it? Like I used to do it on my cutting board all the time, and the corn would hit the cutting board and just boing, go everywhere. So I found that this actually works really well, but you kind of want to flip it about halfway so that it all lands within the confines of your bundt pan. That one I lucked out. So I'm just going to flip and continue on. Yeah, I'm trying not to get the cob, only the kernels. There, only 9 more ears to go. All my corn is cut. I'm now going to finely chop 1 green pepper and 1 onion. My onion and red pepper are chopped. I've set them to the side. I have had my skillet on the burner heating for a minute, so it's really nice and hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and it immediately starts shimmering because my cast iron is so hot, which is good. I'm going to add my corn, spread it out, and saute. I'm trying to get some brown bits on my corn, and I've gotten a little bit, which is good. So I'm just going to stir it every once in a while and let this cook. I've gotten a little bit of browning on my corn. I'm going to go ahead and add my onion and chopped up pepper. I didn't add this when I added the corn because these are probably going to produce some water that would prevent my corn from browning, and I definitely wanted to get some brown bits onto the corn. Give it a stir. This would be a good recipe for a blackstone. I don't have one of those though. My little hot plate wasn't cooking fast enough, so I have switched over to my big stove. Starting to cook a little better. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, and I have a teaspoon of salt. Let's stir these in. My corn is about done. I have stirred quite a bit so that it doesn't stick. My onions are just nice and crunchy, and we're about ready to finish and taste. All right, we'll go ahead and finish it up. I've got some nice brown bits going in here. It's going to be delicious. So to finish this, I'm going to zest a lime. Need to take the sticker off of it. That goes in. along with the lime juice. Yes, I just cut that on my counter, but I didn't go all the way. So I'm just going to add the lime juice. It's going to add a nice pop of freshness, acidity that really offsets the sweetness of the corn and the onion. Let's give this a stir. Okay, normally I am team cilantro, but I'm going to a potluck, and there's only 8 of us, and I don't know if everyone is, and I want people to eat it, so I'm going to leave the cilantro out. But look how delicious that looks. Give that a stir. All right, yes, I'm eating out of the pan. Clean spoon, 1 bite. Here we go. I was requested to make this dish. Cameron, this one's for you, and it is amazing. I think that you guys will really enjoy it. Please give it a try. Leave me a comment, like, share, follow Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.